Hey there, this is Marco from DockerUP, a free tool to Dockerize your app. Today we'll be looking into Dockerizing howdoi, a Python CLI tool used to get quick coding answers from Stack Overflow. Let's clone it and acknowledge that it's backed by setup tools. So we'll choose Python, enter app name, and preserve the defaults. Then we'll simply paste the generated Docker file in the same name file name, copy it, invoke the build, and await. It has a few dependencies, as you can see, so it'll take a bit. Once it's done, we can confirm it's working out of the box with a simple test query. So that's it. We hope you'll find DockerUP useful. Peace.